Welcome to a tutorial series covering the basics of using the EZSeries TouchPanel Editor Software. My name is Ian and I will be demonstrating for you today. The first demonstration will be an introduction to the project information screen. The project information screen is the first screen you will see upon launching your EZSeries TouchPanel Editor Software. To the left side of the screen, you are initially presented with three options. Those being Edit Program Offline, Write to Panel Later, Read Program from Panel and Edit Offline, and Edit Program Online. The Edit Program Offline option is the most common and simplistic way of going about developing a program for a screen or editing an existing program. The Read Program from Panel and Edit Offline button would be used to extract an existing program from a powered on panel so that you make changes offline. Finally, the Edit Program Online button will read an existing program from a powered on panel, similar to the Read Program from Panel and Edit Offline button. However, you will be placed in online edit mode once the operation is complete, allowing you to monitor operations and edit the program without having to fully transfer the project again. Note: the Read Program from Panel and Edit Online buttons serve no purpose unless connected to a running touchscreen that has a program loaded into it already. In the lower left-hand corner of the project information screen, you will see your PC to panel connection. When reading a program from a panel or going online from the project information screen, you should select your communication type here. However, when editing offline, you can select your PC to panel connection from the Transfer to Panel screen later on. To start your first project, left-click on Edit Program Offline, Write to Panel Later. Doing this will open up the project name box and allow you to either select a project from your computer or type in the name of a new project you would like to create. If clicking on the drop-down arrow does not display a project that you want to open on your computer, you may need to click on the Browse button to find the correct file path. Let's begin by typing the name of our first project. For this demonstration, we will create the project sample. After typing the name of your project in the project name box, you can just press the Enter key to accept and create the file. Below the project name box, you can select a Start Editing screen. This can act as a convenience feature so that you may go straight to the screen you want to edit. The more important settings are below, beginning with the panel family, size, and model. The panel you have will determine which family, size, and model you will select. For this example, I will select the EZSeries family in 10-inch with Ethernet. The bottommost part of the project information screen will be where you select your PLC configuration. The default selection is configured for an EZSeries PLC. If using an EZSeries PLC with an EZHMI, the EZSeries TouchPanel Editor will allow you to program your ladder logic as well as your HMI screens in a single file. Next, if using an EZPLC, we will select our type, number of I/O slots, as well as configure the I/O. The I/O configuration screen will show you a graphical depiction of your PLC with M labels on them to help you understand which slots are which. Let's start with slot M1. Double-click on the row to open the Edit I/O module data screen. From there, we can select the module we want to configure. For this demonstration, let's start with an 8DC input, or part number EZIO-8DCI. Click Apply Changes and the module should now be configured for slot M1. You can now see the addresses that are assigned to the module under the Input Addresses column. Make note that not all modules can be put in every slot. For example, slot M2 has a battery under it. This will restrict you from using any analog modules here. After you're done configuring your modules, you can press the OK button. Double check that everything is the way you would like it to be configured. Then you can press OK and load into your first screen to begin programming. This step will mark the conclusion of this tutorial video. I hope this has aided you in your ability to get started with and use the EZSeries TouchPanel Editor software. Be sure to subscribe and keep an eye out for any future videos. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment, and of course, contact our technical support team at phone number 877-774-3279, or email us at techsupport@EZAutomation.net. Thank you for watching.